Hi everyone. So today I thought I am gonna share with you a little bit of my kitchen because it's really alkaline what I'm doing, what I'm preparing for myself each and every day. So I always tend to prepare foods that are alkaline, that keep the pH high in the body, so it always stays in the high frequency. So I just show you a little bit how I make spaghetti. So I make spaghetti out of cucumber. So most probably you have seen this kind of things you can buy all over the places on the internet. It's just a spiralizer. So you just push one button there, and then you just go inside and like this, and you turn and you create your own spaghetti. So I'm not eating anymore any bread. I'm not eating anymore any of this any flours. I'm just using mainly for making spaghetti, for example, courgette or zucchini and cucumber. And because I like also to eat a little bit warm food, this can also be eaten cold. Now it's the summer, so it can also be eaten cold. Yet I like a little bit more warm. So what I do, I am making my own little sauce, and I make also all kind of vegetables that I mix in the mixer, and then I put into the dehydrator. I don't have a dehydrator here. I put in the oven under 47 degrees with the door open. I will show you right away how I'm doing this. So this is the pasta I created right now. So all homemade, all organic. I buy all vegetables organic. So it looks like this, you see. So now what I do, I show you a little bit what I have in the oven. So this is like a mix of vegetables I prepared. So I put inside all kind of spices, how I like it. So some lemon and all kind of spices. And I put in the oven. I'll show you a little bit. Maybe I can turn this around here. No, I can't, but I can show you like this. So I put this in the oven with the door open. And I also create my own cream. So this is the cream. I make it out of cashew nuts and water mainly, and I add also inside some olive oil and some apple cider and salt, and I can create all kind of sauces like mayonnaise, like taste like mayonnaise, taste like mustard. I can do all kind of variation. I can taste like curry. I can add inside curry to make more like Indian. So I'm constantly finding new ideas from the foods I like, and you can do the same. Whatever food you like, you can just change a little bit and try this new way of eating. Because again, as I mentioned in previous video, it's very important for the body to give it now more and more these high vibrational foods. That's the reason also I made a book about this, a small booklet with 30 recipes that I'm gonna post a link under here. You can go and check it out. Maybe you want to support this little work I did, this book. And yeah, so this is very important to respect more and more the change that happen in our bodies, because our bodies, because of ascension process, they change. We become from carbon-based to crystalline based, so it means our bodies need more crystals, more water-based foods, and more minerals. That is what gives the main ingredients that we need, that we can move on with the ascension process with a smooth way. Because if you are already on somewhere on the ascension process, you will feel that sometimes when you eat foods, the body gets really heavy, and you don't feel like you want to do a lot of things, because you are eating things that the body doesn't need anymore. Most probably you also go to the toilet when you eat this kind of foods. So it's a gradual process. So I'm doing this. I'm doing some fasting and I'm testing. So it has been many years of testing what I'm eating. So finally I discovered actually that now I'm really on a good way. So everybody has their own their own way of going with the foods we choose to eat. And little by little, it's like enjoying the process, appreciating the process, not trying to become raw vegan or to fast because everybody else does. It's just how you feel, and go with it and test things and see what the body likes or not, and how it changes. And slowly things are changing in the body, and the more you can understand some things by yourself. So that's all I have to share. I don't show the whole recipe here. It will take too much long time, but I can share this book with you, and if you want to go and check my recipes over there, you can check the booklet in this video below, and in the description of this video. Namaste, much love, and keep on keeping on with Tennis is Rising, and keep on doing the good work. Well, much love.